Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Abegi Swad. Wish you all happy Holi in advance. Today I am with a new fusion recipe, that is Gulab Jamun Thandai Mousse. But before starting the video, make sure like, comment and share the video. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified about the exciting recipes. So first we will start with the mousse preparation. Take a tablespoon of hot milk, soak 4 to 5 strands saffron into it and keep it aside. In a bowl, take 100 gram of hung curd or cream cheese. I didn't have time to buy cream cheese, so I have used hung curd. Trust me, it won't affect much. Instead, it's a cheaper version. Anyways, whisk the curd until smooth and creamy. Now add the saffron milk and beat for 30 seconds. Then add whipping cream. Whip for a minute or two. Now add condensed milk, then rose essence and thandai powder. Beat until you get soft peaks. Do not over whip or it won't be like mousse. Cover it with a cling wrap and keep it in the refrigerator until you are ready to serve. It will hold well and can be kept for 3 to 4 days. Now the second step is to make the crust. For that we need cookie crumb. I have taken NutriChoice digestive biscuits. You can take any biscuits or cookies. Transfer it into a bowl. Add melted butter, thandai mix and chopped pistachios or any other nuts of your choice. Mix well and keep it aside. Now we will layer everything. Take out the mousse from the refrigerator. By the way, I have used homemade thandai mix. You can use store-bought mix to save your time. To layer everything, take a jar or any glass, cup or any small bowl. Layer the bottom with the crust we made. Squeeze out the excess syrup from the Gulab Jamun. By the way, I have used store-bought Gulab Jamun. You can make at home. Cut the Gulab Jamuns into halves. By the way, use chilled Gulab Jamuns. Add a generous layer on the top of the crust. Now I have transferred the mousse into a piping bag. Pipe the thandai mousse over the Gulab Jamun and fill the jar. Garnish it with Gulab Jamun, then crushed pistachios, cashews or any other nuts of your choice and dried rose petals. Chill it before serving. And tada! Your Gulab Jamun Thandai Mousse is ready to be served. Enjoy Holi with lots of colors and food. Make this exciting recipe on this Holi and serve your friends and family. Comment down below how it turned out. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.